friends, fellow filmmakers, or online communities to gather constructive criticism. Take their feedback into consideration and use it to iteratively improve your editing skills. Remember, feedback is essential for growth, so don't shy away from seeking it. 13. Exploring advanced editing techniques. Once you have mastered the basics of editing action camera footage, consider exploring advanced editing techniques. Research and experiment with features like multi-camera editing, keyframing, advanced color grading, and audio mixing. These techniques can take your videos to the next level and allow for more creative expression. 14. Learning from tutorials and online resources. To further enhance your editing skills, take advantage of tutorials and online resources. There are numerous free tutorials available on platforms like YouTube, providing step-by-step guidance on specific editing techniques and software functionalities. Always stay curious and eager to learn, as the world of editing is constantly evolving. 15. Collaborating with others. Editing doesn't have to be a solitary process. Consider collaborating with other filmmakers, editors, or content creators to gain new perspectives and learn from their expertise. Collaborations can lead to unique and exciting projects that push your creative boundaries and introduce you to new editing styles. 16. Building a portfolio. As you gain experience and develop your editing skills, start building a portfolio of your projects. Create a website or online portfolio where you can showcase your best work. A strong portfolio acts as your visual resume and can attract potential clients or opportunities for paid editing gigs. 17. Staying updated with technology. Technology in the editing world is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest software updates, plugins, and equipment that can enhance your editing process. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow relevant blogs and forums to stay informed about the latest trends and advancements in editing technology. 18. Networking and mentoring. Networking is crucial in any creative industry, including editing. Attend industry events, conferences, and meetups to connect with other professionals in the field. Foster relationships with mentors who can provide guidance, advice, and opportunities for growth. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community can significantly contribute to your editing journey. 19. Exploring different genres and styles. Don't limit yourself to a single genre or editing style. Experiment with various genres, such as action, sports, travel, or documentary. Explore different editing styles, such as fast-paced or slow-paced, to discover your unique voice and expand your creative versatility. 20. Pushing boundaries and taking risks. To stand out as an editor, be willing to take risks and push the boundaries of conventional editing techniques. Embrace experimentation, try unconventional transitions, or explore unconventional storytelling methods. Taking creative risks can result in unique and captivating videos that leave a lasting impression on your audience. 21. Celebrating your achievements. Throughout your editing journey, take time to celebrate your achievements. Whether it's completing a challenging project, receiving positive feedback, or securing a new editing opportunity, acknowledge and appreciate the milestones you reach. Celebrating your achievements boosts your confidence and motivation to continue improving your editing skills. 22. Taking breaks and resting. Editing action camera footage can be a time-consuming task that requires focus and attention to detail. It's important to take breaks and rest when needed. Sitting for long periods can be physically and mentally draining. Schedule regular breaks to stretch, walk around, and give your eyes a rest from staring at the screen. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being will improve your productivity and overall editing experience. 23. Utilizing keyboard shortcuts. Editing software often provides a range of keyboard shortcuts to streamline your workflow. Take the time to learn and utilize these shortcuts as they can significantly speed up your editing process. Keyboard shortcuts can be used to perform various tasks such as cutting clips, adjusting audio levels, applying effects, and navigating through the timeline. Refer to the software's documentation or online resources to familiarize yourself with the available shortcuts. 24. Backing up your project. As you work on your action camera footage editing project, it is crucial to regularly back up your files. Hard drives can fail, and accidents can happen, leading to the loss of your entire project. Create backup copies of your project files and store them in different locations. Consider using cloud storage services or tutorials. Editing action camera footage. Title: Tutorials. Editing action camera footage. Introduction. Action cameras have become increasingly popular among adventure enthusiasts, sports enthusiasts, and content creators. These compact devices offer the ability to capture high-quality footage in various extreme conditions, making them a perfect companion for any adrenaline-filled activity. However, editing action camera footage can be a daunting task for beginners. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of editing action camera footage to transform your raw clips into captivating videos. 1. Choosing the right editing software. The first step in editing action camera footage is to choose the right editing software. There are several options available, each with its own features and user-friendliness. Popular choices include Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Consider your specific needs and budget before selecting the software that works best for you. 2. Importing footage. Once you have chosen your preferred editing software, the next step is to import your action camera footage. Most editing programs provide an Import or Media tab where you can easily import your files. Connect your camera or insert the memory card into your computer, locate the files, and import them into your editing software. 3. Organizing your project. To ensure a smooth editing workflow, it is crucial to organize your project from the beginning. Create a new project folder and subfolders to store the different elements of your project, such as videos, audio files, music, and graphics. By organizing your files, you will have a clear overview of your project and save time when searching for specific assets. 4. Reviewing and selecting clips. Action camera footage can often result in a large number of clips due to the continuous recording feature. Before diving into the editing process, review your clips and select the best ones to include in your final video. Look for captivating moments, interesting angles, and smooth sequences that convey the desired narrative. 5. Creating a rough cut. The rough cut is the initial assembly of selected clips on your timeline. Drag and drop your chosen clips onto the timeline in the desired order, focusing on creating a coherent storyline. Trim any unwanted sections and experiment with different transitions to add momentum and flow to your video. 6. Enhancing footage. Action camera footage may require additional enhancements to achieve the desired visual quality. Experiment with color correction and grading tools to improve the overall look and feel. Adjust the exposure, saturation, contrast, and white balance to achieve a more professional and uniform appearance across your clips. 7. Adding transitions and effects. Transitions and effects can add style and flair to your action camera footage. Experiment with various transition options such as fades, dissolves, and wipes to create seamless transitions between clips. Additionally, explore different visual effects like slow motion, speed ramps, or stabilizing shaky footage to make your videos more engaging. 8. Utilizing audio. Effective use of audio is crucial in creating an immersive experience for your viewers. Import and sync any additional audio files, such as music or sound effects, to match the footage's tempo and intensity. If needed, adjust audio levels to ensure a balanced mix between dialogue, music, and ambient sounds. 9. Adding text and graphics. To provide context or highlight specific moments in your action camera footage, consider adding text and graphics. Use titles, lower thirds, or captions to introduce sections, identify locations, or display key information. Experiment with different font styles, sizes, and animations to make your text visually appealing yet readable. 10. Fine-tuning and polishing. In this stage, pay attention to the finer details that can elevate your video. Adjust the timing of your clips, fine-tune transitions and effects, and ensure a smooth playback experience. Polish the audio by eliminating background noise and applying audio effects, such as equalization or noise reduction, if necessary. Additionally, consider adding end screens or call-to-action overlays to encourage engagement with your audience. 11. Exporting your final video. Congratulations! You have successfully edited your action camera footage. The final step is to export your video in the desired format and resolution. Ensure to choose an appropriate format that preserves the quality and compatibility with the platforms where you plan to share your content, such as YouTube or social media. 12. Seeking feedback and iterating. After exporting your final video, it's important to seek feedback from others. Share your video with